Saan ba yung ano? Wait. Ano bang ano ko? Clean airport, yes. So clean. Pero saan ko mo makikita yung ano, yung boarding gate ko? Kaluka, uy.
請注意，旅客請小心開館藏櫃，冇人開館嘅行李會被移走。如果發現有行李冇人開，請通知就近嘅機場職員或者海關。多謝合作。
Ha, layo-layo ang kakaranta ng kasama. Wala naman nakasulat dito. Oh, tingnan nyo. Saan ba? Alin ba dyan? Layo talaga ang lakaran dito. Ayun si Airline, Philippine Airlines. Where's my gate?
Oh no.
Okay.
Yeah, 102. I just find the early flight was like that.
Ay, wala pa daw kasi maaga pa yung flight ko. Aga lang kasi kaming nag-boarding.
Not yet, not yet. They
So where I'm going to eat?
restaurant up there, many restaurant up there.
So cannot wait here?
You mean eat?
No, I will wait.
Wait, any seat?
Any seat here?
Yeah, the gate not yet. Doesn't have the gate yet. You need to just check later. The gate not assigned yet. You check later.
Okay.
Yes, not too early lah.
Okay. It's too early daw. Still no available gate pa daw. Kaya I have to wait. Oh my God. Ang laki ng airport, yes. Ayan po yung ano, kasi malayo nga. Ayan yung, ano, yung parang escalator, yung tatayo ka lang, ano na siya. Still early. Pero, malayo pa daw. So, I can buy some flowers. May nakatulog na rin. Oh, gosh. Excited na siya. Ma'am Maya, Pinas na ba? Yes, I'm in Jakarta now. Sa Jakarta na po. Ang lalaki na.